if you've got a Mac and you're thinking of running Windows on it, then at the moment basically you've got two choices. At the moment I've got two browser windows open here on my desktop, one for Bootcamp and the other for Parallels. And if you don't know what these software do, they're basically software to run Windows on a Mac. The difference between them is that Bootcamp is a software that installs into OS X and it creates a new partition where you will actually install Windows. And what Bootcamp does is at startup of your Mac, you can choose whether to run Apple OS X or Windows. Now, the advantage of Bootcamp is that when each operating system loads, it's designated using the 100% of the system resources. Um, the only problem with it is that you can't run both at the same time, so it is harder to switch between them if you want to run some Windows application to do something and then switch over to OS X straight away. You can't do that, it requires a reboot. The other thing about Bootcamp is it has limited support for operating systems. The advantage is obviously, yeah, the graphics is not shared where Parallels shares it, so that it's better for games. Now, Parallels, this software allows you to actually run both operating systems at the one time. So it's quite strange, you'll have both Windows for Windows operating system open and OS X operating system Windows open. Now, the advantage of Parallels is that you can run multiple applications from each different operating system at the same time. And Parallels is great for most business users. If you're doing some sort of programming, you can switch between, you can test it on different, on Mac and on Windows. And also, if you're a PC user transitioning to Mac, Parallels is great to let you use your Windows applications at the same time that you're getting used to OS X. And the pure advantage is that you just don't have to reboot to start running the other operating system. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea of what the difference between the two software are. And if you're wanting more information, go to windowsonmac.net.